There are a few tricks to the use of the polyline command. If you were trying to draw a curving line such as this one around here, the best approach is to use the polyline command. So it's draw polyline. My drawing color is red, so you should be able to see as the line goes in. What you do is set a series of control points, and you might notice that as I'm moving now my tracking's on, so I want to turn tracking off so I can press the F8 key and do it on the fly. So I'm clicking and putting control points along the direction that I want the polyline to take, or the garden bed edging in this case it represents. So I'm just going around the zone. Of course, if I was designing in the native environment, I wouldn't have this background, but I'd know background image, but I know pretty much the location of the garden bed edging, and then right click to finish and select enter. So now we have a polyline through here. I'll detach or put this on another layer, the image. Let's get rid of the image, and we're left with the polyline. We'll get rid of our grid. You can see there's the polyline. It's not particularly smooth. That's easy to fix. Select the polyline, right click, go to properties, and under fit type, change from a series of lines and arcs, which is what it is at the moment, and click in the right hand side of that line, and there in the down arrow you have a lot of curve fitting options. So a quadratic B-spline curve now gives you the same sort of curve that we had in the original hand-drawn drawing. So using polylines, if your polyline is changing shape quickly, put lots of control points in. If the polyline heads off in a relatively straight direction, you can step the control points further out. But just do remember to put the curve fitting at the curve fitting at the end.